So ladies and gentlemen, our house in Kiambu County is finished. Our 3-bedroom bungalow for rental. Niliwaambia last time hii rental house inaenda for how much? 150,000 Kenya shillings. Ndio hii, mnataka aje? Nyumba imeisha actually with a very nicely done modern sitting room area with a modern chimney like you're going to see. We have a modern kitchen space and 3 comfortable bedroom spaces with their own bathroom. So all rooms are en suite. Why don't you follow me, and maybe if you want to rent this house, why not? So right here we have a massive and spacious entrance porch with very nicely done windows, just one window and with one-way glasses right here. So if the client is having guests coming on board, they can always relax right here. As you can see, we have also installed our doors, very high security doors, to ensure that security in this space is guaranteed. And then right here we have our modern expansive sitting room space with our modern chimney hapa. This modern chimney has not been built with normal precast panels like we usually do. So this space is done with modern, with just normal stones, and then we've cladded it with mazeras. And down here we have done it with just normal red bricks. So what is remaining right here is to apply the clear varnish to make the space more elegant and more beautiful. We have these socketry areas whereby we're going to be mounting our TV from this end, and then the family can have the couches on the other part of the house. Then after this space, we have our just sizable dining space for this particular room. So the client looking to rent this place will be setting their dining table right here with dining table, and we have this socketry space for charging when you are having your meals. We also have this nicely done one huge window to allow a lot of light and ventilation, and to even give a little bit of elegance into this space. Then this dining room space is graced by a very nicely done open kitchen right here. All our cabinets have been installed. This is where we are going to be installing or putting up our fridge area, and that's why we have this socket space. Then we have a very nicely done window here for extra ventilation when you are really enjoying your cleaning space right here. So this is the sink and the tap. The water is already running, so the client is well sorted. We also have done our workspace, and we have finished the spaces with just normal ceramic tiles. Then on this other end, we have our cabinets very well installed, both up and bottom. For the bottom part, we have drawers whereby the client can store their accessories, their cutleries, and what have you. So the space is well guaranteed for whoever is going to be here, whether they are preparing their meals, their family meals, or even for guests around. Then on this space we have our pantry space. Most clients would be asking, so how am I going to be guaranteed that I have enough space for my staff? So this is a pantry space to help the client in the clear organization of the kitchen staff. And then out here we have our back porch, very big and spacious, so anyone who is working in the kitchen can have space to relax and have a very nice view of the entire vicinity. Unaweza kunywa kofi yako hapa, ukunywe kamzinga kako hapa, hata maji pia ni kitu, masoda yako ya Fanta. And before I show you the bedroom spaces, we have our laundry space here. We're going to be showing you how it looks like, and then you follow me into the bedroom spaces. We have the 3 comfortable and spacious bedroom spaces, and we start with this bedroom space, which is bedroom number 1. All paint works done, all sockets installed, our gypsum ceiling very well done with our downlighters, and the lights are already working. Then we have one great window here to allow a lot of light coming in. On this part, we have our wardrobe spaces also very well installed to ensure that you have your clothes and shoes well organized, clear drawers to store your innerwears, and anything you want. And then we have right here where you can hang your clothes, maybe your office wear, and then where you can put your shoes down there. And then on this other part of the house, we have the bathroom space for this particular space. Very big and spacious for the client who's going to rent this place. Tile works done, sink and the toilet bowl done, water running very well, so you have nothing to worry about. We also have our towel holders and our wash hand basin right here done. You can also put your toothbrush and toothpaste right there. So that is bedroom number 1. Then we have bedroom number 2 right here. Also a duplicate of bedroom number 2, very well organized and very well nicely done. So everything is set for anyone who wants to rent this place. And like I said, this space is going for only 150,000 Kenya shillings. If you have it, hebu mtupigie simu ndio mrentishe hii nyumba. And this is the bathroom space for bedroom number 2. Then into the final bedroom, which is our master bedroom. Very big, massive, for the client who's planning to rent this house. This is it. A very clear and nice view of whoever is coming into the house, and you know, the entire vicinity of the house. It makes the room very big. Then you have 2 small windows there. Our curtain rods have also been installed, so the client actually has really nothing to worry about. Then on this space we have our walk-in closet. Most clients will be asking, how do I ensure that the house that I'm moving in is giving me the quality and space that I need? This is a walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Big and spacious. All our foldables will be going here. Then we have these drawers for the small accessories of the client. Then we have right here where you can hang your clothes, put your duvets here, and then a small shoe rack there for your shoes to be safe. So everything has its own space and we avoid a lot of clutter. And finally, we have the master bathroom right here. Very beautiful. In short, it gives you comfort, peace and serenity, because I believe the bathroom space should be your bathroom space should be your most peaceful place. So we have our towel holders right here. Then we have a very nicely done window here to ensure that whoever is out cannot access you kifanya maneno zako hapa. We have our soap dish right here, our shower, our tap right here, and then we have our toilet bowl. Also water is running very well. And then we have our wash hand basin here and our toilet paper holder right here, hand towel, and then we have our toothbrush holder right here. So I say it again, this property is only going for 150,000 Kenya shillings in Nazareth, Kiambu County. Do you want to rent this place? You can rent. Yes. Do you want to rent this place? Reach out to us at Petite Constructions. Call us, or drop us a comment on our social media handles, and maybe book a site view, or even we can start discussing of how you can build your own space. Thank you very much.